Mayong aga, another day in my life as a makeup artist. Subong adlaw may ara kita duwa ka schedule. First is for the capping ceremony sa mga nurses and second is for debut. Kag sa amon unang schedule, ma-home service kita diri sa amon banwa. I let Kian do the hair first kay maban man lang sila. Soon as he finished, nag-umpisa na ako sa amon nga makeup session. And for this makeup session, there's only one request and that is not to use false eyelashes. And that's maybe because it's their school policy. So what I did was a soft peachy glam and of course wala tayong eyelashes. Nagbawi na lang gid ako sa iyang mascara. Kag samtang nag-makeup kami, gintimblang kami ni mama niya sang kape. And we really appreciate it. And at this moment man nagtapos na gid ako sa iyang makeup, I'm just doing some final touches with the brows kag sang iyang lips. Right after doing her hair and makeup, of course, ma-picture na kita. First schedule done, manghimos na kita kag maglarga na naman. May pahabol pa si mga mango sticky rice. Thank you gid ma'am. At around 10 a.m. nagbiyahe na kami pakata sa syudad sang Iloilo kay dito ang amon nga schedule para sa debut. So every time we have a schedule in the city, we need to travel for an hour or an hour and a half. And this time, our schedule is diri sa Gateway Hotel sa Pavia. It's only my second time to have an event diri sa Gateway. Medyo malayo abi sila sa city. I think it's gonna take like 15 to 20 minutes. Depende pa na sa traffic ha. Pero it is one of the nearest hotels sa Iloilo International Airport. This is how the room looks like. It's a connected room sa rooms ng debutant, but we decided to stay here and do the prep here para magamit nila ang debutant's room for the photo shoot. So while I was preparing, nag-umpisa na si Kian sa iyang hair. By the way, our debutant's name is Steph. May man nag-makeup sa iya during her pre-debut shoot about a month ago sa Antique. Wala pa matapos ang amon hair and makeup pag nag-abot ang lunch, kag gin-ask kami ni mama niya nga manyaga-anay. And after a few minutes, nag-abot naman ang iyang designer, the one and only John Lee Betita. Kag ang super proud nga videographer si Argel. Super love sa and this will be the gown she will use for the first look by John Lee Betita. And after namon mag-lunch, kintapos na namon ang iyang hair and makeup for the preparation look. Kag nalipat na ako mag-video. Anyway, nag-start na kami mag-take photos for social media postings. Kag nag-umpisa na sila sang preparation shoot with Kina-Adman Production. After we did her hair and makeup, her mom approached me and asked me to do the hair and makeup as well for her brothers and sisters. So nag-umpisa ako sa iyang sister and after that, si mom niya naman ang sunod. Anyway, we still have enough time pa naman because the event will start at 6 p.m. Next in line is her little sister. Pagkatapos ang iyang sister, brother yan naman pero wala ko naka-video. Kagari-gali ang debutant's final output. Amo lang na sa subong, so always remember, #BeBeautiful inside and out. Bye-bye!